What is up, guys? So today I want to show you a very healthy protein shake that I make. It comes from organic natural sources and it tastes amazing. It tastes like something you probably shouldn't be drinking or eating. But without further ado, let me show you guys what I got, the ingredients. Very simple to make, very quick to make, so let me show you. Okay, so basically you got our purified water. So we're going to use this type of water. You guys can really use any kind of water. Obviously it's not going to make a huge difference, but I like to choose something that's been filtered at least, or reverse osmosis water. This one's not too bad. It's Kirkland brand water, so I'm using this, and I'm gonna also use this organic protein. So if you guys haven't already heard of this or seen this, basically 2 scoops of protein has this much contents in it. So it's got 6 grams of organic fiber, 21 grams of protein, and 5 grams of carbs. So this one's actually a pretty cool story. So you can see all the different ingredients that make up this protein. So it's all plant-based, which is nice. It doesn't have any dairy or anything like that. So these are some of the traits it has: dairy-free, soy-free, gluten-free, lactose-free, vegan, and non-GMO. So basically the protein contents come from this. So it says it comes from organic pea protein, organic chia seeds, organic brown rice, organic fiber. And the story behind this is pretty cool. So the creator, the founder, I guess the CEO of this company, he actually developed this product, and I'm sure other products, because he actually had cancer, and that kind of changed his life and his perspective on life. So he wanted to start putting quality ingredients and quality foods in his body to obviously get healthier and be healthy. So that's the story with this. This stuff tastes great. I've used this for a little bit of time now. The other ingredients, but this one's optional. If you like peanut butter, this is actually peanut butter flavor. I do have chocolate flavor, but in this video I'm going to show you a peanut butter flavored protein shake. So again, organic peanut butter from Kirkland's. You can tell I like some Kirkland stuff, so I eat a lot of food, and it makes it affordable. This is a frozen banana, so basically I just take bananas and peel it. You can check out my other video for what I do, but this is just a frozen banana. And then whatever your blender you're gonna want to use, but this is basically just a magic bullet. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your water, probably about 2 cups. I usually fill just below the max line on the magic bullet on the big cup. So usually somewhere around there. I know you're not really supposed to go over the max, but I usually do slightly. Take your banana and put the banana in here. Then protein. So you could obviously, you would be getting your 21 grams of 2 scoops. I like to run 3 scoops, just because that's kind of the mixture that I like to do. So I'm getting a little bit extra. Guess I'm probably getting about just over 30 grams of protein. So there's the 3 scoops. And then last but not least, you're gonna put some peanut butter in there. But basically just take as much peanut butter as you want. I usually put a couple of heaping blobs in there, just to kind of add some flavor. Again, this is not necessary, but it's kind of the concoction that I've come up with. Grab your magic bullet, your lid, let it run, and that's it. Very simple. This honestly tastes like something you shouldn't be drinking. It tastes extremely good. Yep. Basically, I don't know. I can't describe it for you guys, but this stuff tastes amazing. So try that out. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. I'm gonna be doing a lot more stuff. Easy, simple ways to gain health, live healthier, and make it easy and affordable for you guys. So like I said, give it a thumbs up if you like this video, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care.